Hi, this is just a reminder about those tech issues that you need to do before your class starts. The first one is to make sure your link is listed correctly in your class. So let me show you how to do that. What you need to do is go to the Editor tab in your class. It's the one with the pencil. And click Add Child Development and Parenting on my class, but you're going to add to yours. And then remember you use this second tab here, the Delegate 12-page templates. And notice the first one there does say Live Class. And it'll pop up here and you want to click Add and Edit. Alright, so for your live class, remember you need to put the link in here. To get that, you go over to the Adobe Connect main admin side, click on Meetings, click on the class that you want to get into, and copy the link. So here is my link. And I'm going to put it in here. I'm going to replace the first part of this with my link. One thing again to remember, this is number 2 on the list, is whenever you have an Adobe Connect link in here, make sure you add that extra S there. So it is HTTPS. I'm going to edit my title. And you can always edit this later as well. And then hit Save. That way it is saved right in your class. You can move it anywhere you need to. I'm moving mine to the top. It's always a good practice to have that link on your landing page. So if you click on Activities here to get back to your landing page, I have a link here that says click link to join the live class. So I'm going to edit that. And if I want to link here, I'm going to highlight the word click here. And I want them to be able to click there to come into my live class. So I'm going to use hyperlink. And notice the second tab here says course link. So click on course link and click where the link to your class is. You want it to open right here in Buzz, so don't click anything with popping up in a new window. Keep it opening right in Buzz. Alright, there you see it's highlighted blue. I click Save. And now hopefully it'll work when I click here. It's good to check these before Monday. Notice Adobe Connect is logging me in right here. And it's using my login information. I'm in here 3 times. Woohoo! So it should log students in automatically with their names. Alright, so that was the first 2 things. Again, remember anytime you put anytime you put an Adobe Connect link in here, make sure you add that S so that it opens correctly in Buzz. I also wanted to remind everybody to turn off that private chat. To do that in your Adobe Connect room, you go to Meetings, Preferences, and then click Chat Pod. And make sure this Enable Private Chat for Participants is unchecked. That should not be checked. While you're here, you could go to Whiteboard here and check this one. Enable participants to export. That way they can export any images, any PowerPoint slides or anything you do on the whiteboard there. They'll be able to export it and save it to their Google Drive. Alright. And let's see, I think those were the main things. Last thing we wanted to mention, this YouTube pod, if you do want to add this into your class, you would do it just like you would a PowerPoint. Share document. Browse for wherever you saved it on your computer. I have mine in here. I click OK and it will load. On Monday this should be fully working with our license in there, and it'll enable you to put in a search box at the top here. Will let you put in a YouTube link to a video so that you can show it and control it. Alright, if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.